Now let's look at 6.3.2. We'll get some more practice and we'll just do mechanical blocks. And these are simple demonstrations. They're not industry standard drawings. I just want you to get some practice with some blocks. We'll be able to incorporate this into industry standard drawings in our last unit if you desire. So let's take a look. We're supposed to make some hex head fasteners as shown in the video. So here's hex head fasteners. There's a link. And we're going to do 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, 3/4, 1, and 1.5. And the idea is it's a hexagon, hex, 6 sides, and across the corner it's 1/2. So let's see how we're going to do that. Okay, so first I'm going to make a layer called fasteners, and then I'm going to draw a circle that's got a diameter of 0.5. That corresponds to width across the corners. Then I got a very cool thing over here called, if I can find it, here it is. Under this little square, draw a polygon from this thing's center. With 6 sides, starting at the center, and it is inscribed, and it goes right up to that top. There we go. Now you can put more detail on this if you happen to know that those things are offset. They have a little bit of a chamfer on them, and that normally there's a little bit of a, it's often got a little symbol that looks like this. So if you want to, you can add that so that somebody really knows that it's a hexagon. But now we're ready again to create a block. Create block. It's going to be in the drawing. This is hex head top view. And this is a 0.25 inch bolt. Hex head, 1/8 inch bolt, top view. Pick my point. It's usually the center, but my center is now gone. Okay, there's a really cool command, right click, shift right click, midway between 2 points. Isn't that cool? That found the center. Select my object and create it. And I would go through that process on each one. Now, if I'm ready to insert it, that's what it would look like on top of the hole. And then this hole, if I had them in here, would change to a hidden line. And that's how I would draw bolts in place. Now, we would also need side view and the length and all that kind of stuff. But this is just to get you the idea of how to work with blocks. So what are you supposed to do? Not too bad. I would like you to do one for each of these blocks, which is, or for holes, 1/4, 1/2, 3/4, 1, 1.5. And I'm not sure. I actually don't know. Some of those bolts might hit each other. That's a whole nother thing called a tolerance review to make sure that they don't hit each other. Don't worry if they do. Just put them into place. Okay? So there you go. That's 6.3.2.